Welcome back, guys. It is Monday and we are back at it. We're back to digging a slab house and had a pretty good amount of rain over the weekend, so it's nice and wet. Pretty interesting. We have to try to get trucks in and out of here all day. It's not going to be fun. Trying to scrape everywhere that I'm going to even try to have a truck come in. We have to try to keep the trucks as clean as possible so they're not tracking a bunch of mud out onto the street, the main roads. Which honestly really sucks, but we don't have a choice. Digging a slab house and the mud sucks worse because you have a lot more lines that you have to try to make sure you don't lose as you're digging and moving around. If anyone in here has dug a slab house before, they know what I mean. Trying to make sure I'm pretty good lined up. Alright, we had a little malfunction getting our laser to pick up, but we are back. We're going to go ahead and start digging this hole. It's a little foggy in here until we get it all warmed up in here. Truck drivers are going to be pretty upset today. They don't like when there's any mud at all. But they will get over it. Loading these trucks. We only have 2 trucks today. hoping to get this done today, depending on how the mud goes. The mud is definitely going to slow us up. This ground is a lot harder than I anticipated. We're hearing beeping, so we are getting close to our grade. Jump out and repaint lines so I can save them. We're still digging. I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. Digging this has sucked. Pretty much having to dig plus scrape down the whole lot and get rid of all the mud. But I don't know if you can see, we got, say, about half of it out and hauled off. get done hauling what we need to haul today, and then finish it up tomorrow, and put a footer in it Wednesday. Really hoping that it doesn't rain tonight. I haven't even looked at the weather, so really hoping that it doesn't, but if it does, guess there's nothing we can do about it anyway. Once I get to grade, the ground's nice and dry and hard, which is good, but dealing with this top layer stuff has not been fun. Fortunately, this is the last lot on this side of the street, so there's been lots of junk and stuff dumped on this lot throughout the whole process. The landscape companies have dumped a bunch of trash, dug a bunch of holes where they stole dirt. Which is making my job a lot harder. But don't have a choice but to keep trucking along. Dump truck drivers are mad having to deal with all this mud. It is just one of them Mondays. About a foot deep of mud right now. Trying to level yourself out in mud. everything. I'm pretty tired. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. What do I want to do? I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I don't want to just call it a day. Be able to reach the truck from here. It sucks when it's this muddy and the trucks can't just pull in from any angle. You have to have them a decent little path to try to get in. We're in the middle of the hole, so we pretty much can't throw dirt anywhere. So we're at a standstill waiting on the trucks to get back.